Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with the Magnifica. This machine was brought in because the customer reported the coffee was weak and that there were grounds all over the inside of the machine. These issues were rectified by replacing the grinder, which had gone bad, was not able to grind the beans fine enough for a good shot, and also we did a tune-up, replacing the brew infuser inside, which is part of the function of moving the grounds over to the side in the bucket. And because the grinder is new now, it can grind fine enough, and so the pucks will actually stay together instead of just kind of crumbling inside the machine. And we did an overall cleaning of the brew assembly, the upper and lower, replacing gaskets. So here it is, and we're gonna pull shot. Hey Google, stop. Looking good. Also just show that the hot water works. And steam. Good. Now we'll just do steam. Looking good. Take a peek at the inside. And clean grounds are made where they should. And here. Alright, there it is. Magnifica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.